In this video, I will show you how you can modify your curves. Use the menu Modify, Element Shape and the function Point to move data points or create new ones.
Be careful, when you move one hinge, which element is highlighted. The element which is highlighted will only be changed between the hinge and the next curve point, as if this curve point would be pinned. I highlight now the other line. The change is done till the first curve point. I can make profit from this particularity if I want to change the length of my shoulder. I can move my cursor on the shoulder point, highlight the shoulder and then click the shoulder point. There isn't any curve point on my shoulder line, so it will be entirely changed.
If you use the Smart-Guide, it's really helpful with the magnetism, so you can see it's tangential to the shoulder line now. With the spacebar, you can type in values, and because of the magnetism of the Smart-Guide, I will only change the length and not the X and Y values. Confirm the value with OK. You can also add data points to your element and change the shape of the line directly. For example, I have a straight side seam on my back piece. I want it to be a little bit smoother and rounder. I can use the right mouse button and I created a new curve point. The point is connected with my cursor already, so I can move my cursor and I can create a smooth curve on this straight element. If I want another curve point, I can select the position with my cursor, click right mouse button and left to confirm the position. I will show you this on this line again. With the right mouse button, I set a new curve point. I can change the position with my cursor, or I can also press the space bar to type in values. If you don't want your curve point to move, you can type in 0 and 0 and confirm with OK. So you can see the data point is on the same position like my cursor was before.